Welcome to the Business Minds, a community built for entrepreneurs where we can learn and grow business together. I'm excited that you have chosen to empower yourself and your business with us. My name is Marcus, and I'm the strategy mind behind the Business Minds. I'm going to show you how to sign up for a free account on our website. We're going to start by clicking on the Sign Up for Free button now. This will take you to the sign up page. Please fill out every required tab. Now we are going to add your business birthday to your profile. We would like to use this as a way for you to see your business as more than just a job or a hobby. We want business to become your lifestyle. Once you're done, you're going to check I'm not a robot within the reCAPTCHA box. And now you can click on Complete Sign Up. You will get this message. You have successfully created your account. It will direct you to go to your email, in which you will get an email to activate your account. Click the email and then click on the link. On this screen, you'll just click on Activate with the code already preset. And now you have activated your account. Next, it will direct you to log back into your account using your email address or username and password you created earlier. Make sure you check I'm not a robot in the reCAPTCHA screen and then log in. Now you will have to select your membership level. This is where you choose how you would like to experience our community. A comparison chart is also available. I'm going to select the startup membership. Next, you will be directed to the membership checkout screen. Here you will agree to terms of service and confirm your membership level. And this is your confirmation page. You will just click on View Your Membership Account. And now you have become an official member of the Business Minds. I hope you enjoy all we have to offer.